Yes, yes, very proud to my player and congratulate them because great performance like a team and congratulate our fans again one time more. Their support was fantastic. I think that from the beginning we were very aggressive and we played very well with and without ball. I think the first 20 minutes we managed the game and we play an amazing way, great performance. And after 2-0, maybe we play in a slow tempo, but after the second half, I think we deserve. And on the end, I think that the result is fair. If we show this, like we showed today, this performance, maybe we have the possibility to arrive. But we need to be consistent from here to the end of the season.